All right, we're gonna redneck something up real quick. This is a $500 compressor, but customer don't want to put $500 or $1,000 in it. So I'm gonna put a regular compressor in. We're gonna wire into the fan motor over here, the black and the red. I could do it up here, but sometimes it's easier just to splice in down here. Run it to a 12-volt relay. Run power off of our cord to the 120-volt compressor. You can see this one's 220. Oh, there's also splicer in. Like I said, redneck engineering. All right, say goodbye to the inverted linear compressor. We'll cut it out and put the regular 120-volt comp in. All right, unclippy. All right, just gotta get those back ones.
Must be losing oxygen. Alright.
Almost there.
Alright. Might as well go ahead. Get the illustrator valve on there. Only got a little bit.
All right, come on out of there. There we go. Heady boogers those things are. Whew, get that one in there now. All right, so we got a dryer, high side, low side. Solder it in. I got that steel. Maybe. All right, let's see what kind of leaky peekies we got. Well, I don't hear one, so that's good. Oh, I spoke too soon. Yep, right there. Sucker. All right, let's see about this one. And that one. And that one. And that one. Yep. Dang. Got that one, but not that one. All right, second time's the charm. Almost got that baby too hot. Whew. All right, baby, let's see what you got now. Ooh. I think I got her that time. Yeah. Second time's the charm. All right, time to suck her down. All right, so we got 12 volts to the relay. 120 volts to the relay. Yep. Should be good to go. All right, let's shoot some fire. Whew. 3, 2, 1. Fan started, compressor started. Woohoo! A little more juice. Oh yeah, we cooking with grease now.